everybody. I am here at the scavenger hunt special, the junkyard. I gotta go find some stuff for the Jetta. Ideally, I am looking for a replacement trunk link because mine is pretty rusted. But if I can't find it, I will wind up looking for some other parts, which I will keep to myself for the moment because I don't want to build up too much hype in case I wind up jinxing myself. So we're going to wind up doing a little time lapse as I search through the junkyard. And then when I find something that I can use, we'll do a setup. And then you guys can watch me take everything out. Let's go. Everybody, so bad luck. I went around the entire junkyard scouting Jettas, and I unfortunately was not able to find one that matched the color of my car, which is the bright green. But I did find some other things that I could use, so I'm going to start pulling those off. Some of them are screws, some of them are smaller components. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the smaller components, and then the major stuff, I'll set up the camera and let you guys watch me work. It is hour number 3. I've lost my hat, and I've got 2 black interior panels for the rear passenger and driver side, and I also got a new steering column cover, which I desperately need because this is really nasty, and yeah, I don't want to deal with it anymore, and it's been falling apart for the past year. So I found my hat. There we go. Jets. Shut up. All right, let's find something else. Looks like we may have a winner chicken dinner. Looks like this used to be a 1.8T motor. Hopefully, if I see any signs that say otherwise, and I do. Double exhaust, VR6. Never mind. Those axles will not. Those axle nuts won't work for me. At least I don't think. I'm gonna see if I can find some. Okay. So I found another Jetta. This one, the interior is not terrible. Got some damaged components up here. I'm not gonna bother with that. Maybe I'll take the ashtray because the cover is still in good shape. And then I'm gonna take these under panels and just clean them up a bit and then pop them into my car. All right. So, ended off overall on a good note. I got some parts to kind of refresh multiple areas of the interior to get more of a solid color. There were some things left behind at the junkyard only because of the budget not allowing it at this moment. And also, I was by myself. I had a heavy bag of tools that I really didn't want to start carrying too much to get too ahead of things. But there are other things that I may have to wind up ordering online, new to put in to continue on with my refresh. But don't worry, I will be continuing to keep an eye on the inventory of the junkyard to make sure I can still get a replacement trunk, because that rusty lip at the bottom is driving me absolutely nuts. I gotta fix it. So, what we will be doing is I'm gonna clean up the interior parts. I'm gonna have my little helper, my son, help me out. And then once that's done, I'm going to make sure the camera is fully charged, because somebody didn't fully charge it. Joe. And I will record myself putting it in, how to take off the dash panels. And it's really a simple, easy process, and it's gonna change the entire look of the car. Even though it's just the rear, it's gonna feel like a completely different car. All right, so we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for keeping up. Wrench Daily.